hate Rosie. She very annoying. What should I do? Oh, I know. I'm going to wake up Rosie up with an air horn. Ha. All right, she asleep. I'm going to take a air horn out of my pocket and wake up Rosie up with an air horn. Let's do it.
Oh my God! Why? Rosie just woke up. Wait! Old man from Hardy, do you wake Rosie up? How dare you wake Rosie up? That is it. You are grounded, 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 grounded. Until Azalea starts driving. Go to your stupid room. Right. Now. It's okay, Rosie. Don't cry. WJRR. And your mom are right here. Goo goo gaga gaga GA. GA.
Checking WJR how he's doing. Oh my God. WJR and Charlie, did you wake Rosie up?
Well, Azalea, no. Me and Charlie did not wake Rosie up. It was old man from Hardy. He only one he did it. He got grounded until you start driving.
Oh, it's okay. It's old man from Hardy's only want to do it. It's okay, guys. You just continue doing fun.
Azalea, we put on Hatchimals for Rosie.
Yeah, let's watch Hatchimals to keep Rosie calm down.